Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tikoy with egg and flour. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the tikoy itself. You will need 1 block of tikoy, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and your preferred cooking oil. Begin by carefully slicing the tikoy into uniform pieces, ideally about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. This step is crucial for even cooking, ensuring that each bite is perfectly tender inside and delightfully crispy outside. Now, let's create that wonderful, crispy coating. In a shallow bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are lightly beaten and just a bit frothy. On a separate plate, spread out 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Take each tikoy slice, dredge it thoroughly in the flour first, then dip it completely into the beaten egg mixture. Ensure every piece is fully coated. This will give your tikoy a beautiful golden brown exterior when fried. It's time to fry our tikoy to golden perfection. Heat about 1 inch of cooking oil in a large non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the oil's readiness by dropping a tiny bit of flour. It should sizzle gently. Carefully place the coated tikoy pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful, inviting golden brown color. Once your tikoy pieces are golden, carefully remove them from the pan and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. It is important to let them cool for a few minutes before serving, as the inside will be very hot and sticky. You can enjoy your homemade tikoy plain, or with a light dusting of powdered sugar for added sweetness. This delightful snack offers a satisfyingly crispy exterior and a wonderfully soft, chewy interior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.